Hey, don't forget, Father's Day, just around the corner. It's on Sunday. So to celebrate in style, we have minimode.com co-founders Colleen Crivello.
Yes,
okay. And Maria Benetos.
Yes.
Got it.
You got it.
Here to dish on stylish father and son fashion.
Love this.
You brought some real cuties with
yeah.
you.
Let's get
We'll jump right in.
Kids, yes.
Let's get right in and see these guys. Oh my goodness, look.
Who do we have here?
We have a father-son look here, and the trend is for dads on the go, and it's all about being comfortable. And
chic still.
Yes, but still looking put together and chic.
This is classic.
This is
Totally.
classic, but
Yeah.
believe it or not, Dad is wearing sweatpants.
Oh,
I
Dad
like
likes
that.
wearing
Jeans.
sweatpants.
Yes.
No, but they look like jeans, but they're sweatpants.
Oh, this is brilliant.
And the little boy is all in gymboree. And again, we love this whole sort of mini and me, daddy and me moment,
Yeah.
but done in a really chic way.
Yeah.
We do that. I do that. I make my husband and son do that every
Right?
once
It's
in a
just
while. Okay.
adorable.
Our next look, this is, we have daddy and two little ones.
Two
How
little
sweet.
ones. Now, are these the real dads of the real kids?
They
or
are.
These, oh, I love
Yeah.
that. Okay.
Yes. So
Hi, Dad. He's got his hands full.
He does.
So this is more of a brunch look, dressed up, but still, still kind of casual. And they're, go ahead.
Yeah, no, that's true. And it's all Kenneth Cole shoes here, which we really love.
Oh, these kids really look like they're ready to brunch.
They
They're
are,
ready to
right?
like run.
Yeah.
And the dad is wearing a Kenneth Cole smartwatch, which is actually the perfect Father's Day gift. So if you don't want to go for the iWatch, here's another option, and it's slightly more affordable.
Yeah.
More stylish, I think,
It's
as well.
more stylish, so that's a great gift for
I like
Dad.
this next look. I like kind of the red. I love red in summertime on
This is
guys.
like a picnic.
Like a pinkish red,
You
right?
hit on it, because coral, we're seeing
Yeah.
this everywhere. It's really, really
Salmon.
popular right
Salmon
now.
is
Salmon.
Exactly.
Yes,
Yeah.
Early pink.
Yeah.
It's a big trend right now, and then mixed with khaki, the pop of color with the khaki is just like right on.
Hi there.
Hey.
Awesome.
Being shy.
see, you could tell it's real father-son.
Yeah, models don't punch other models.
Exactly. Models don't usually punch each other.
I love that so much. Okay, next. Oh, look. Oh, this is fun.
Oh, darling. Hi.
Oh.
So this is a big trend right now. I just have to comment on the hair of little boys having this amazing long hair. The New York Times actually just did an article about it. But this is more of a casual beach look.
Surfer
This is
style.
a surfer boy.
Yeah,
Oh yeah,
exactly.
surfer boy with the
Yeah.
caps, rad, right on little
Yeah.
dude.
Right on.
You just want to squeeze him.
But they're ready for a day at the beach.
Matching hat.
Exactly.
So cute.
Oh, his tongue.
Sure we did. Yeah. That's our little California boy.
This may be my favorite fashion segment ever. Okay, our next look, are we ready? Oh,
they're
little
getting
ones.
smaller.
Oh, they're getting smaller. And here is really like a sort of California cool, but slightly preppy daddy and me. And again, with the khakis, but the father's a little bit more dressed up with the pants and the little guy in like the cutoff pants and the polo shirt.
He's yawning.
He's yawning,
Yeah.
It's
Like
like
he
it's
is
not
so
being a
boring.
model.
Yeah.
But these are great gifts because it's just perfectly classic and you can sort of wear it anywhere, perfect for a summer day.
Perfect for photos, for
exactly.
Father's
Oh,
Day.
For Father's Day photos.
The next look
Yeah.
that we have coming up, are these swim trunks or are these going to be shorts? I love
These are swim trunks.
Oh, I love the
There
swim
is,
trunks.
These are
Okay,
swim trunks.
next ones. Oh my goodness.
We're having some like
little behind the scenes.
drama going on. There's just
And
boys
again,
gone
here's
wild.
that pink / salmon / coral trend
Yeah.
again. So you see it picked up
Oh,
in
I
the
like
trunks.
this.
Yeah.
But that is
Right.
a big trend
Very
for men and
Nantucket-y.
for boys is the printed short. And, just have fun with it. Like there's all sorts of different kinds that you can get with all sorts of different prints. But I love the pop of pink here again.
And then this brand, actually, it's a full father and son look that matches.
Yeah, so it's all the same.
Yeah.
So was that our last one?
I believe that was
Dare
our
we
last
bring
is,
everyone
yeah.
back out?
Everyone, if we can get everyone
I mean, the
back out
boys are like
together.
halfway out the building already. The shoes are off. Like
As we get some
casual
of them out,
cozy, yeah.
your blog again is called
Mini Mode, and it's mini-mode.com.
mini-mode.com.
good mommy blog.
It's an editorial and commerce site, so you can really go on there and look for, ideas about shopping,
I love
trend
that.
pieces.
And you're from New York?
We are, and we're
yeah.
actually moms of girls, so it's been super, super cool to hang out with all the
Yeah.
little
Thank you, guys.
All the looks are on our website,
Nice to meet you, ladies. And all